Hello, boys and girls. For this activity, you are going to be listening to the word problems, and you are going to be completing the word problem using the strategy RDW. Remember, RDW stands for read, draw, write. You have been practicing using the draw strategy with a tape diagram or double tape diagram labeled in class. So today for these word problems, I want you to try and use the tape diagram or a double tape diagram that is labeled to help you solve the word problems below. After you draw, you're going to write using a number sentence and a statement that matches each of the word problems. Number 1. Fran donated 11 of her old books to the library. Darnell donated 8 of his old books to the library. How many more books did Fran donate than Darnell? Again, draw a tape diagram or double tape diagram that's labeled to help you solve the problem. Don't forget to write a number sentence and a statement that matches the story. If you want to push pause right now so you can work out the word problem, do that now. Number 2. During recess, 7 students were reading books. There were 17 students playing on the playground. How many fewer students were reading books than playing on the playground? Use a tape diagram or double tape diagram that's labeled to help you solve the problem. Don't forget to write a number sentence and a statement also to match the problem. Push pause now if you would like to stop it while you wait to solve the problem. Number 3. Maria is 18 years old. Her brother Nickel is 12 years old. How much older is Maria than her brother Nickel? Again, use a double tape diagram or a tape diagram that's labeled to help you solve this problem. Don't forget to write a number sentence and write a statement to match the story. Push pause now to help you while you solve the problem. Number 4. It rained 15 days in the month of March. It rained 19 days in April. How many more days did it rain in April than in March? Draw a tape diagram or double tape diagram labeled to help you solve this problem. Don't forget to write your number sentence and a statement to match the story.